Hey, before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Spike here wants to know how we transform, Hound.
Like this.
What other tricks can you do?
Now you see me? Now you don't. Over here!
I've got something cool for all of you right now. This was a find on Instagram, and it's a aftermarket accessory you can get for your G1 Mirage. It's very cool, and it's 3D printed. All right, so they took some care with this. What we've got here is Mirage's invisibility cage. They're 3D printed from this company called Shapeways. I don't like how this one deformed in shipping. That's not too cool. The yellow one does look nice and square. Not much to look at the moment, but how about now? That's pretty cool, right? So there you have it. A nice little accessory for your MP scale collection for Mirage. And you have a choice of colors, and I think there's a third choice, white. So whatever in your imagination best represents Mirage's invisibility box, you've got three choices. So that's from Hidden Toys on shapeways.com. Just go to shapeways.com and search for Hidden Toys. And I'll put the link in the video description. While I was recording this video, I discovered that shapeways.com actually has a lot more Transformers accessories and customization parts than I knew. I thought maybe this was just like a one-off little internet store with hidden toys. But if you look for toys and then you click Transformers, you'll find there's over 3,000 products on shapeways.com. So if you're looking to customize a character or get additional accessories, check it out. It might be a good resource for you. That's it for this micro warp. Thanks for joining me. I'm Mike, and until next time, happy collecting, everybody. Hey, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe for more MixelPix videos, and leave me your comments below about what you liked and you didn't like about the video. Until next time, see ya.